Okay, guys, look at this question. It said three balls are drawn successfully from a box containing eight red balls, six white balls, and four black balls. Find the probability that they are drawn in the order red, white, and black. Please, the order is very important. Red, white, and black. If each ball is drawn with replacement, that is I said without replacement. This is multiplication law of probability. Now, replacement there means whenever you pick a ball, the total number of balls still remains the same because it is still going to be replaced. While without means it reduces. Now, let's work it out together. So, first of all, the balls we have, uh, the order we have, you have the red ball have eight red balls. We have, for the white balls, we have it to be six. And for the black balls, we have it to be four. Now let's get the total ball. That is the first thing you do. You have to get the total balls. So 8 plus 6 plus 4 is already 10, plus 8 is giving us 18. So the total balls is 18 balls. Okay, so I said we're drawing these balls with replacements in this order. So that means the probability of drawing, look at the order, red, white, and black ball. The first ball you draw, that is the first is going to be red, second is going to be black, or the third is going to be, sorry, first is red, second is white, while the third is black. Okay, let us begin now. So for the red ball, how many red balls do we have? We have 8 red balls. Remember that probability is what? The required outcome over the total outcomes, or you can say the favorable events over the total events. So red, we have 8 red over total number of balls is 18. Remember that the first one we are doing it with replacements. That means the total balls keeps on being 18 times we go for the white balls. The white ball becomes 6 over total number of balls is still 18 times the black ball is 4. You have 4 over 18. Okay, now you want to reduce this to the lowest term. 6 can divide itself 1. 6 can divide 18 3 times. What can divide 4 2, divide 18 9. The 2 up here can still divide the 18 here 9. Okay, do we have any other thing that can divide? I don't think so. So 8 times 1, because this is still 1, 8 times 1 is 8 up here over. You have 9 times 9 is 81 times 3. This is 81 by 3. That is 243. 243. So for the first, when you draw with replacement, you're having 8 over 243. Okay, let's go to the II. For the II, which is without replacement, the total number of balls is going to be reducing. So probability of red, white, and blue, still the same process. First is red, second is white, because they said we should maintain this order. Now, for the first ball, have 8 over 18. 18 because you just began with the first ball. So the total is still 18. You start reducing from the second ball. So 8 over 18, because the first ball is red, times the second ball is now going to be 6, which is white. 6 over, it becomes 17. Now you can see that when you pick the first ball, it was not replaced. That is the without replacement. So the total has reduced. Times, we are picking the third ball now, another reduction. So the third ball is going to be 4 over 16. Now let's resolve this together. So 4 divided itself 1. 4 into 16 is 4 times. This 4 can also divide itself 1 and divide it 2 times. 2 divide itself, 1 divide 18 9 times. Okay, up here, okay, 3 and 9 have factors together. Sorry, 6 and 9. So 6 divide 9, 3 divide 6 2 times, divide 9 3 times. Do we still have any other factor? No, I don't think so. So we multiply 1 times 2 times 1 is still 2. In our denominator, we only have 17 and 3 left. So we check 17 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So having 2 over 51. And that is the final answer. Bye.